Sensationnel. Today I'm here to review this beautiful unit. If you don't know, now I'm about to put you on. It is from the Cloud9 Swiss Lace Wig What Lace collection. Whenever I install units from this collection, it's amazing. Like, the lace always blends like butter, and since it's a 13x6, you can part it anywhere on the unit, and it looks and blends like it looks very human like. I did put a little bit of heat in this unit. I put some at the top just to have the wig laid down a lot flatter, and then also when it came to like curling the baby hairs and styling them, I did put a little heat through that as well. I don't really have much to say about this wig. When I was younger, I swear to you, they did not have synthetic wigs like this. So I definitely say if you're getting a 1B or a black, natural black unit, I recommend trying out a synthetic unit over a human hair unit because it just cuts the cost in half, and it also does the same exact things now, in my opinion. This wig is not even blended with human hair. It's just 100 premium fiber, but you can still straighten it and curl it and, you know, go the whole 9 yards without like dropping a bag. I don't believe this wig was anywhere over $50. I will link it down below. Of course, you know, with me, I purchase my wigs in bulk. The only problem that I would have to say with this unit, and I feel like it's a problem with like all units that do the like curls that are supposed to frame your face, since my face is so round, I always have to cut layers into it. So a little bit of customization in this wig does help when it comes to styling it to make sure that it fits you. But that's my only complaint. You guys can wear it flipped over. Let me show you guys how that looks, because I think I like it flipped over more. Let me get my coat brush. Holds up. Let me show you guys how it looks. Look at that. And there's no tangles either, no snagging or anything. I love that. Synthetic units never used to do that when I was a youngin'. Like, what? Are you kidding me? But look at that. Do you see what I'm talking about? Yeah. Y'all see the vision. But anyway, I show you guys everything in the video. I actually did go in and plug this unit a little bit. It was not my best plug job, but I do show that in the video too. If you guys want to get this look, continue watching. Bye. Hey y'all, hey. So this is just me taking the wig out. That's how the inside looks, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks without me plucking it, like thrown onto the wig head. It looks really good. Like, to be honest, you do not have to pluck it if you don't want to. But let's get into the plucking. I'm gonna master synthetic plucking, I promise you. But from what I see, you need a little bit of water. You need the proper tweezers. I did not have the proper tweezers, but it is those flathead tweezers that are like really good and thick. And then you comb it with the rat tail comb. Of course, you know you don't want to over pluck, so I definitely recommend plucking behind a section that you part out. After plucking, you're going to want to go in and match the lace to your skin color. I usually use the Even Lace Tint. The name and the color I'm going to leave in the bio section. Then I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses and just put that on the wig cap. The name and the color will also be in the bio below. So for me, I usually cut the lace in 3 parts. It just makes it a lot easier when it comes to installing. And then after that, I'm going to take my Even lace spray, which I showed you guys in the beginning. It comes in the black can. And I'm just going to spray it in sections and then blow dry it until it gets tacky and then lay the lace into that.
I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is hallelujah. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love, it goes on and on. Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a hallelujah. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a hallelujah. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, 'cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Another concern with this wig is I have a very small head, so I'm assuming this is not big girl friendly because the lace did not go from ear to ear, which was super annoying. I'd rather be able to cut off extra lace than not have enough, and when it came to like ear to ear, it just wasn't enough for me. So this is a little trick that I do. I go in with some rubbing alcohol and I just clean up any of like the glue residue that's on my forehead so it could take away from the shine. And then I'm gonna go in with my spritz and put that elastic band back on just so everything melts a lot better.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, 'cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
While I'm waiting for the hot comb to warm up, I'm just gonna go in and cut some layers into my hair. As you guys can see right here, this is what I'm talking about when I say the curls usually are way too long for my face. So you just gotta go in and customize and make sure it fits what you're trying to go for, and also make sure that it fits your face shape. After that, I'm just gonna put some mousse onto that part in the middle, get the hot comb, and make sure I get that to lay super flat.
Yeah. Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a la, 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 la. In the cafe, man, da, 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 da. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking. Yeah. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da.
Alright, so what I should have did first before combing out my baby hairs, as you guys are seeing now, is I probably should have taken a little bit of the Ruby Kisses and put that on the lace. If you guys have any tips or tricks on how to get rid of like that ashy halo that lace gives, please let me know in the comment section.
I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's in me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the cat from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to.
I would definitely have to say the most tedious parts of wigs in general is the lace, getting the lace to lay down and blend properly, and then also the baby hairs. But the best thing that helps when it comes to baby hairs or getting your edges on fleek is to get a really tiny flat iron.
Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work.
It's in me, I feel why. You see me do my da.
So after you curl them, I go in with some mousse first to kind of like have everything set without being set. And then when I want to set everything in place, I go in with the black Got To Be glue.
Yeah.
So after that, I did have to put that piece away because I thought I was going to style my hair a little bit differently. But I think this is my go-to look for when I do edges. I just like how it looks so much. I'm just putting a little bit of mousse on the front parts just to make sure that it's laid back. And then I am just going to go in with some more spray and then tie my hair down with a silk scarf. I wouldn't do an elastic band because that's going to lift up your edges after you lay them down. But the silk scarf is going to set everything in place without being too rough. And then that's it. The look is pretty much done. I come back onto the screen and then you guys just see the finishing look. If you guys watch the whole thing through, I just want to say I love you times 10. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Bye.